Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sophia's Insight, your go to for astrology and space. Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun, holds incredible power in our horoscopes and even more scientific mysteries. But did you know that getting a spacecraft to orbit Mercury is actually one of the most challenging feats in planetary exploration? Stick around to understand why it's so difficult, and in the meantime, let's explore 10 surprising and not so known facts about this incredible planet. Let's dive in. Fact 1. A day on Mercury is longer than its year. Mercury has a truly bizarre rotation. One full rotation on its axis, a sidereal day, takes about 59 Earth days. However, because of its fast orbit, one solar day, from sunrise to sunrise, lasts about 176 Earth days. That's longer than its orbital period around the Sun, which is just 88 Earth days. Fact 2. It has water ice at its poles. Despite being so close to the Sun, Mercury harbors water ice. Radar observations from missions like Messenger have confirmed the presence of significant amounts of ice within permanently shadowed craters at its north and south poles. Temperatures in these areas can plunge to around minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 173 degrees Celsius. Fact 3. Mercury has its own magnetic field. Unlike other small, rocky planets like Mars, Mercury possesses a global magnetic field. While it's relatively weak, about 1.1% as strong as Earth's, its existence suggests that Mercury still has a partially molten outer core, generating this protective magnetosphere. Fact 4. Its surface temperatures swing wildly. Mercury experiences the most extreme temperature fluctuations of any planet in our solar system. Day temperatures can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But during its long nights, temperatures can plummet to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 180 degrees Celsius. Fact 5. It's covered in wrinkles called rupees. Mercury's surface isn't just cratered, it's also covered in massive cliffs and wrinkles called rupees, Latin for scarps. These are thought to be formed as the planet's interior cooled and contracted, causing the surface to buckle and fold over itself, some extending for hundreds of kilometers. Fact 6. It has a very thin exosphere, not an atmosphere. Mercury technically has an atmosphere, but it's so incredibly thin it's often referred to as an exosphere. It's composed of atoms blasted off the surface by solar wind and micrometeorite impacts, rather than a stable, retained gas layer. Fact 7. The Caloris Basin is one of the largest impact craters. Dominating much of Mercury's northern hemisphere is the Caloris Basin, an enormous impact crater approximately 960 miles, 1,550 kilometers in diameter. It was formed by a colossal asteroid impact early in the solar system's history. Fact 8. It has a high density due to its large iron core. Despite its small size, Mercury is surprisingly dense. This is because it has an unusually large metallic core, thought to be primarily iron, which makes up about 85% of the planet's radius. For comparison, Earth's core is about 55% of its radius. Fact 9. You can experience double sunrises and triple sunsets there. Due to Mercury's extreme orbital eccentricity and its 3-2 spin-orbit resonance, an observer in certain locations on the planet's surface would see the sun rise, then briefly set, and then rise again before completing its journey across the sky. The reverse happens at sunset. Fact 10. Studying Mercury is extremely difficult for spacecraft. Sending probes to Mercury is an incredible challenge. Its proximity to the Sun means extreme heat and intense solar radiation. Also, to orbit it, a spacecraft must brake significantly to fall inward towards the Sun, which requires immense amounts of fuel to counteract the Sun's strong gravity. Only 2 missions, Messenger and Bepi-Colombo, have successfully orbited Mercury. Which of these facts about Mercury surprised you the most? And how do you feel Mercury's rapid energy influences your astrological chart? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sophia's Insight for more intriguing insights into the world of space and astrology. Till next time, and remember, keep exploring the cosmos.